Every Christmas has its own kind of magic. Not the glitter or the neon kind, but the quiet warmth that comes from the handmade. And nothing captures that spirit more beautifully than wooden Christmas decorations. Wood has a soul. It creaks, it glows. It holds the scent of winter itself. When you bring wood into your holiday decor, you're not just decorating, you're remembering. There is something deeply grounding about a Christmas space filled with wooden accents. It feels calm, honest, warm. In a season that can so easily turn loud and commercial, wood whispers instead of shouts. It reminds you that joy doesn't have to sparkle, it can glow. From carved ornaments to rustic centerpieces, modern Christmas decor connects modern homes to old traditions when celebrations were simpler, slower, and full of heart. Wood invites craft. Unlike plastic or glass, it wants to be touched, carved, painted, and shaped. That is why handmade wooden Christmas decorations feel alive. Each one carries the mark of the maker, a hand, a story, a small imperfection that gives it personality. Whether you make your own or buy from a local craftsman, every piece adds worth that can't be mass-produced. It is the kind of decoration that outlives the season, that you wrap carefully and unpack year after year, like a friend returning home. The beauty of wood lies in its range. Pale birch, rich walnut, deep mahogany, or reclaimed pine with years of history in its grain. Each tone adds a layer to your holiday color story. Natural wood works perfectly with greenery, twine, linen, and candlelight, creating a Scandinavian calm. Painted or stained wood, meanwhile, adds warmth and depth. Crimson reds, evergreen hues, or snowy whites, layered against the grain. The result is balance, festive yet natural, cozy yet timeless. Wood introduces texture, that gentle roughness that makes your decor feel real. In a room full of glossy ornaments and metallic wrapping, wood breaks the monotony. Even a single wooden garland or candle holder changes the rhythm of the space. It softens the light. It draws the eye without screaming for attention. It is the visual equivalent of an old carol, gentle, familiar, and deeply comforting. When you decorate with wood, you decorate with story. A wooden nativity carved by hand, a reindeer cut from old pallet wood, a set of ornaments made from a fallen tree in your garden. These are not just decorations, they are memories embodied. Each one carries a link to nature and to the people who shaped it. And that gives your Christmas something plastic never can: emotional weight. Nothing pairs with wood like light. Candlelight brings out its warmth. Fairy lights play across its texture like reflections on snow. That's why wooden lanterns, candle holders, or star cutouts look so magical during the holidays. They don't just illuminate the room, they create atmosphere. Because at Christmas, light isn't just the same, it is a feeling. Wooden Christmas decor also carries a quiet kind of sustainability. It lasts, it ages gracefully. It doesn't add to the throwaway chaos that defines so many modern holidays. You can reuse, repaint, or repurpose wooden pieces year after year. So this Christmas, consider bringing more wood into your home. Not just as decoration, but as a reminder. A reminder that joy is in the handmade. The beauty lives in imperfection. And that the true spirit of the season is in love. It's warm. So until next time, happy decorating.